Once again, easy3dbiz.com, giving you guys a bit of an update right here. And if you guys have, for you seasoned viewers out there, basically I opened up one of these guys earlier in my previous videos, and I had 6 of these. So basically today I've added 2 new ones. Actually, yeah, I've got 2 new ones right here. And what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to go ahead and coat this with liquid electrical tape. And instead of using PVC tape, I'm going to be using some of this. So it's called liquid tape. They shake it up really well, because they say you have to shake it really good. Alright, let's go ahead and put it on there. This is the stuff that plumbers use to seal PVC pipes. So we'll go ahead and brush this on here like this. This also makes a very, very good seal, so we can keep out the moisture. And the less moisture the better, because most batteries do run with moisture in the seal. But with this type of battery, we want to keep the moisture out as much as possible. And for you guys that have built these batteries also, every now and then, I've noticed when I give these guys air, because this is sealed up in an airtight jar, but when I seal the jar up and then I open the jar up later on, after about 7 days I have to open the jar up to let air in. And that's how often it needs air. It's only about once every 7 days. The rest of the time it's sealed up. You can see right there we got us a really good seal. And currently, with this series right here, I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 batteries total. So that's a pretty good amount. And basically, what I'm going to be doing later on is hooking them up to this LED right here, and it'll run the LED, no problem. I've actually got 4 LEDs. You guys can see that, but it runs those 4 LEDs pretty good. And these are 4 red LEDs, by the way. So that's basically what it looks like right there. I'll go ahead and turn the light off so you guys can see the LEDs a little bit more clearly. I'm using a light on here, so the LEDs are not, they're hard to see. But anyway, I can't really figure out these phones. But yeah, if you take a really close look, you'll see that it powers up these 4 LEDs, no problem. And it'll run it continuously. The only reason I put these new cells on here was because I was making some check internal adjustments later. As you can see, lights up the LEDs, no problem right there. And that's 4 red LEDs right there. Anyway, let's go and do a voltage check. Remember, I got 7 in series right here, and I got on the 20 volt scale, as you can see. So let's go ahead and wire it up. And make sure the polarity is correct. Okay. This is a steady point, 7.35 volts. That's a constant source. There's no fluctuation here. I am also using the tin-plated wire, but the majority of the wire here is 0.99% silver wire. So it's giving me a nice constant voltage, which all these 7 of these guys in series gives me about 7.5 volts. And 3 of these are new cells also. But my future versions will be half the size, and I'm working on getting those completed. But once again, the liquid tape right here performs very well. I look forward to using that to seal everything up. So once again, this will all be placed inside the bottle again, and it'll all be sealed up. And then about I would say on average, once every 7 days, I'll open up the lid right here and give it some air. And then I only have to put the air in for about 5 minutes, and then it keeps it for about another 7 days. So it's very, very, very impressive, which shows that the oxygen is creating a minor galvanic effect, but it's nothing really major. Once every 7 days is pretty impressive. So once again, it's Easy3D Biz giving you a quick update right here. Wish you all continued luck and success in your research, and have a nice day.